Healthy hair is pigmented, glossy, reflecting light, and flexible yet strong with the ability to withstand damaging forces. Now, hair structure is made up of three layers: the cuticle, the cortex, and the medulla, the innermost. Now, hair gloss depends upon the smooth layering of the cuticle, which is the outermost layer of the cells, which lie flatly on top of each other like fish scales. Now, cuticle has a very important role to play in regulating the entry and exit of chemicals, water to and from the cortex. Now, the hair strengthening, straightening, and perming lotions, the coloring agents, the highlighters that we use, the bad weather, heat from styling tools, all of these work by lifting the smooth cells of the cuticle in order to enter the medulla and bring about the necessary changes, the results, thereby making each strand unsmooth or frizzy. Starting with a conditioner, hair oils, cysteine treatment, keratin treatments, whatever else, hair botox, as well as ironing your hair, works very well in flattening the cuticles, thereby making them smooth temporarily, which in return reflects light and gives an appearance of smooth, healthy hair.